Hey guys, dlwalker at Holeshot. It's 100 degrees in here. Look at, I even have my surfboard shaping shirt on. So I had, first of all, Mike Corbin. I make about 15 seats with them, my Holeshot Corbin seats. This is my 2021 MT-09 under the cover here. I just started on the airbox mods and ECU flash and stuff I'm working on. But anyway, I've got a, he sent me a mold with just the foam. So what I'm going to do now is I went and wrote it, and I kind of want to fine tune it and have my own part number and stuff. So it's pretty comfortable, but what I'd like to do is modify the sides in this area here. The seat is kind of shaped up like this a little bit, and as you know, we also ride this bike around corners and we like to slide off the seat. So I'm going to modify this, and I'm going to bring this edge down real nice and more contoured, and try to kind of just knock this off and blend it in more. I did notice it was hitting on my inner thighs, so I think that's a good idea, and I think Mike may or may not modify the mold, but this is the beginning stages. So let me do some work on here, and then I'll show you what I come up with. Okay, so yeah, this area here I've already kind of worked on. I kind of felt pinned it out. I noticed this edge up on here. It's still kind of uphill, which is nice for just going down the road, but we want to be able to slide off this sucker on a track day and do some other stuff like twisty roads, and I think this should be taken down a little. Don't need that much support. It is a wider seat. The tail is shaped nice. It fits really good. So what I've been working on here is just taking this down here. I want to go kind of to this marriage line and knock the top down here so we get rid of this little swale here so it's a little straighter. This is all good. The front is pretty good. I might take a little bit more out in here to lean back and be down in the seat a little deeper, just in this area here. So that's kind of I'm going to work towards. So it takes a long time, and I'm going to just work on this and use my little shapers you got, and then I'll probably use some heavy-duty sandpaper and work it and get it close, so when I send it back to them, they could fine-tune it maybe and put my cover on it. But let me work on this, and I'll try to get kind of one side. When I get close enough, I'll show you what I come up with. Okay guys, I've been working on this a couple hours. I got the shape finalized here. So I brought the seat. Didn't want it to come downhill too much here. Okay. This could be built up a little more, but we're not going to do that. It's already up a little bit. Don't want it to be too thin there. So anyway, made it downhill into the bucket area here. This used to be kind of scooped up here. I showed you the picture. It was about that high. Okay, and when you tried to slide off the side, it would kind of hit on your thigh. Fairly good. So I blended this. Also, when you slid back to tuck in, a bigger guy, the bucket here was kind of up forward a little too much, and you felt it hitting on you. So I brought this back and tapered it back about a 1/2 inch here at slight angle, and then blended into it. And I kept going and going and sticking a scribe in here. We still got enough, over 1 inch of foam, and I didn't want to go any thinner. So I worked it from here downhill, and then I knocked this edge off right here, kept very slowly, because I can't put it back like at Corbin where they spray it on and have all the trick foam and tools. So I shaped it, got rid of the little hot spots I could feel, kept sitting on it. I measured it. It's tapered off about the same amount on both sides. They'll finish it from here and do the final little smoothing and make a Holeshot top mold. So yeah, look at that now. Isn't that nice? The bike now is sitting on the bench. I've got it off the stand. So this used to be downhill a lot more, and these flared up kind of like an ice cream scoop a little bit. So if you look at that, it's going to be good. I could sit on there, and the second you slide off, you are off the seat. So you'll be able to move around, slide off in corners like we do. And I think it looks really slick. That was just the base foam that Mike sent me. So it says play with it, do whatever I want. So I went ahead and did it. So that is the beginning of a Holeshot Corbin 2021 MT-09 seat. We'll get it down there, we'll have them finish it off, make the top mold, and make my final cover, which is going to be like on my SV650 2017 Plus. I'll put a couple pictures of that bike at the end of this video so you can see what the cover is going to look like. So, till we get there, that's it. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And please subscribe and comment below. We'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching, guys. See ya.